Input your email address and password to access your account and get the latest updates from your lawyer on your active cases. Once logged in, you can check updates and latest activities from the section on top. And you can find all your active cases in the section below, and click on one to access more information about the case itself. After you click on a case, you will be taken to a dashboard with all the necessary information at your disposal. In the Milestones tab, you can keep track of the case progress, upcoming tasks and events, and already completed milestones, as well as all of the necessary payments for each one. In the Files tab, you can upload documents requested by your lawyer and receive files and contracts from your lawyer as well. You can save these files by clicking on a specific document and saving it to your device. In the Meetings tab, you can keep track of upcoming meetings set by the lawyer and get meeting links and other necessary information like date, time, or location of the meeting. In the Messages tab, you can chat back and forth with your lawyer for inquiries and special requests.